I just have to not be scared and just go for it.
Yeah. Easy. Blue holds on a blue wall, pretty hard to see, but hopefully you guys can see this in the video. I guess the last one is yellow.
No desire.
Alrighty.
So you want me to try this out?
Yeah, I think you should try it. It's not your strength, but it is good to train weaknesses, right?
Yeah. We'll see how my crimps feel today.
Yeah.
Cross our fingers.
Yeah.
So the screen mount feels hard but doable. So I got to like the crux area.
Yeah.
And I can kind of feel my two fingers, my middle and my ring finger on my left hand. I was on a crimp and all but those two fingers popped off the crimp. And yeah, it just was kind of sore the last week or so. I don't want to push it too hard, so I'll probably come back to this next week.
Yeah.
Gonna find something else. Coincidentally, in case you haven't noticed, Paul's not in the video because he injured his right hand.
Yeah.
on a big pocket move.
Yeah.
So we're both dealing with injuries. His is a little bit worse. We'll see.
Yeah. Alright, since you've been trying a lot of crimps and stuff, I feel like you should do some power related stuff. Campus maybe. Campusing, some problem. I don't know. Which one looks good here? I mean, obviously it'll have to be a little bit easier, right?
The red one. It's like a V4.
Oh yeah, sure. Very nice.
There's this blue route over here. It's like a hard V4. But there's a pretty good foothold somewhere. So I'm gonna try to break the route, cut out half the moves using the foothold.
Yeah, okay. Is that hard? Yeah. It's pretty hard to film a video with just one climber.
Yeah, it's a lot more tiring. Shout out to those of you who are out there who can do it solo.
Yeah.
Your endurance, top notch.
Yeah.
That may be. Alright, so it's not like it's a hard route. It's like a V4 going up.
Yeah.
And then it's like a V4 traverse.
Uh-huh.
So it's still like a V4. It's just really long, which makes it really tiring to do at the end of a session.
Yeah.
But I rested for like 3 minutes, so should be all good.
All right. Good job.
Oh, so pumped.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm standing in the new set. Didn't get to try it today because a bunch of people are over here projecting stuff. Probably will have to wait till next video or something. But I got some stuff that I hadn't tried before, and I don't know, still a good session. was less fun without Paul able to climb, but you know, hopefully 1 to 2 weeks he'll be back.
Yeah.
We'll see. If you liked the video, comment, like, subscribe, let us know what you want to see next, and we'll see you next time.